Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the problem when the Action tab in Device Manager doesn't show the Add Hardware option. As you can see here, when I click on the Action menu, there's no Add Hardware option. Don't worry, the fix is very simple. Let's get started. First, go to your network adapter, right-click on it, and select Scan for hardware changes. Now, go back to the Action tab, and you'll see the Add Legacy Hardware option is back. If you have multiple network adapters, just repeat the same steps. Right-click Scan for hardware changes, then go to Action, Add Legacy Hardware. That's it. A quick and easy solution to this problem. I hope this tutorial helps you. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech videos.